Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1250-minute time frame. Okay, I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, just like I have said in the morning, this has been an uptrend right from this support region. Give us an uptrend signal and of course some buy signals along the line. And this has actually got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a downtrend right from there. Okay, except if you break out from this particular resistance zone, that is when it will keep on buying. So for now, I expect more selling than buying. So next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay. So this is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend right from here. So there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay. So it is already approaching this support region. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on the uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. Okay. So next asset is going to be PayNext 1200, which is also on downtrend right from the resistance zone. Got to this particular support region, tried to buy for a while, and of course, went back down again to break out below this particular support zone. And of course, it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out below the next support zone, it's going to sell more. We should take note of that. The next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This had been on uptrend right from this particular support region. We also analyzed this particular assets yesterday, and of course, we also checked it out this morning also. So it has been buying since then, broke out from this resistance zone, of course, to get to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now, it is still buying. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and of course, it has been selling since then. It has gotten to this particular support region. Okay, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. I mean, on uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break below this support zone. That is when it will go fully okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.